What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the Diecast Dad, and welcome to all the returning viewers. If you're a new viewer, hit that subscribe button. If you're into diecast or model cars, as we feature both of those on this channel. In today's video, we're doing the long-awaited 64 Chevy Chevelle SS gasser build. I'm going to show you guys how to build this. It's pretty simple. It's pretty much just a base swap and a little bit of interior swap when it comes to the engine. So first up, you're going to need a 64 Chevelle SS. Here we have a Hot Wheels Workshop one. This is the white variant to the one I already built. So going to have a matching pair. And then the other car you're going to need, of course, is a 65 Mercury Comet Cyclone. This is the Hot Wheels Gassers. So you're going to take the base off of this, and you're going to have to cut it a little bit and modify it. But I'll show you how to do everything and what you'll need to do this project. So let's go ahead and hop into the cut. Besides the Hot Wheels, we're going to need a saw and some hobby cutters, as you're going to be cutting stuff. And of course, you're going to need a drill. So let's go ahead and open these cars up. We're going to go ahead and drill these cars apart. So once you get your cars drilled apart, you're going to take them apart. And then we're pretty much just going to do, like I said, a base swap, but we're going to cut the engine part off the interior of the Chevelle, and we're going to cut this part out because that was sticking through the hood. So we're going to want to keep that part. Actually, it's been a minute since I did this build, so what you're going to want to do is cut the back bumper after you get the engine cut away. You're going to want to take the front bumper. You don't actually have to cut that out unless it makes it easier for you to get this piece, but all we need is this piece, the front and back bumpers. So you don't need the engine of the Chevelle or the interior, because you're going to use the interior and the engine from the Cyclone, because we're going to use it like so. It's going to pretty much look like that, but we're going to have to cut the front bumper and the rear bumper off of the base from the Cyclone so it fits. And then your bumper will still go in there. I just recommend cutting at the hole where the interior would have went through the original post, like on the back part here. After you cut up the Cyclone base, this is what you should be left with. You cut the side tabs off and the rear bumper, then you cut the front bumper off. And then for our Chevelle glass, for everything to fit properly, you're going to want to cut pretty much where these notches are. You're going to cut them off. That way everything fits together like so. And like I said, you're going to want to take the rear bumper. And what I do is I just super glue everything back together. So there's what the rear bumper would look like. And here's our front bumper. So I'll go ahead and get everything glued up and we'll come back and show you the finished result. So there we have it, our Duo 64 Chevy Chevelle SS gassers made out of 65 Mercury Comet Cyclones. I credit this build originally to the Diecast Papal, as he is the one to make this build, and then I just copied him when I made this one. I just did what he did. So here's our new 64 Chevy Chevelle gasser. So I know it was a little confusing at first when I was telling you how to do it, but we ended up figuring out how to do it. Like I said, it's been a while since I built this one, so and it doesn't really matter how crude the bottom looks. Nobody's really gonna see it. But there we have it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys make one of these. If you do, tag me on Instagram at @_diecastdad, or let me know on YouTube if you make one. Tag me, and I'll make sure to check it out. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for checking out the channel, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.